Hey, what's up everyone, it's Altered Tech. In today's video we have the Nord N200 5G from T-Mobile. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. And here we go. Let's see what else we get in the box. I'm not going to expect much. It's pretty much just the bare bones because the price is like super cheap. And that's what they're trying to accomplish. The charger, what kind of a charger do we have? I'm recording with the Samsung Galaxy S21, by the way. Okay, I think it was like 18 watts they said. And you got your traditional OnePlus red cable. Now guys, there's going to be like hundreds and hundreds of unboxing videos on this phone. And I'm not going to go ahead and take out my Sony A7 III and spend 2 days editing and shit to give you guys the same information someone else did. So about this, so last year they on the Nord N100 on the boxes it was like, hey, 5G is still in progress. I guess that's for the Metro by T-Mobile network. I think 5G, there's been a lot of progress for T-Mobile, so it doesn't say anything like that. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what we got inside here. Kind of reminds me of Carl Pei. I remember he's supposed to be the spokesman for Nord. Oh, this year we have a nice little Nord. Oh, that's the SIM card stuff. Whoa, you guys did not see that. It's not a sticker board, just a cardboard with the SIM card info and the SIM card eject tool. And we got this in Espanol for my Spanish peeps out there. Welcome start guide. Anyways, let's go. I think someone else actually did a video, an unboxing video, and they actually went through the whole table of contents and whatnot. I mean, let's see what you got. You got SIM card, charging the battery. I wonder how long it takes to charge the damn battery. Front view. Someone said this was misspelled. Reviver. Not a big deal. OnePlus is a small company. You guys gotta realize that they're just a small company trying to do big things, trying to dream big, just like the rest of us. And I mean, the camera hump, I like the design of it. AI triple camera hump, AI. So SIM card tray is up on the top left, and you do have SIM card and micro SD card slot as well. No dual SIM capabilities. I mean, it's from T-Mobile. They're not going to ask OnePlus to make them a dual SIM phone so you could rock T-Mobile and AT&T. Nah. Or Verizon and T-Mobile. Nah. So, nano cards and the power key. How do you turn this on if there's no power button? Where is the power button? And that's a great question. Maybe it's on the fingerprint reader. Let's go ahead and check out the phone real quick. And if I want to turn this on, oh, it is. Oh, you just simply press the fingerprint sensor on the side. As for the weight, it's not heavy. I mean, let's compare this to what's around here. I have the iPhone 12 mini in my hand, and for a 5,000 mAh battery, it doesn't even feel that. Not bad for a huge battery. And screen view, 90 Hertz, 1080p. 1080p, it's an upgrade over the A32 by Samsung. OnePlus wants to go toe-to-toe with Samsung, so we got 90 Hertz as well. And I mean, you guys probably want to know like how fast is the fingerprint sensor, things like that. What haven't other people covered that you guys would like to see me covered? And there's only going to be one Android update with the N series, Nord N series. One major OS update. Due to software updates, your experience of the software interface may differ from the interface presented in the guide at this time of purchase. So things could change. I guess they're expecting that Oppo merger. Well, right now, Oppo is going to, Color OS is going to integrate itself with Oxygen OS. So when Android 12 comes out, God knows when that's going to come out for this. Maybe it comes out faster. Surprises, Pete. Mr. Lau. It would be a great surprise if you could go ahead and upgrade even the Nord N200. I mean, do some fast software updates just to show us that the integration between Oxygen OS is actually working. So this phone, selfie camera up on top. As this loads up, we got the sticker on the back. Let me try and hide that. So to finish, let me take off the sticker. I'll just have you guys stare at this terms and conditions in Spanish. Maybe you guys could just read along and improve your Spanish, which we learned in high school, which I didn't really get a chance to learn because they hired a 80-year-old lady who was gone for more than half the year and only spoke in Spanish. So my Spanish is pretty much learned from all the Spanish girls I've dated. So this is probably going to be a phone for someone who just wants a phone. I mean, I like the wallpaper. Usually OnePlus brings out some nice wallpapers. Let's see what else they got. Kind of like an old school OnePlus 6T look here. That's pretty much it. I think I'll stick with this one. Get the nice calm blue. I mean, I guess this phone's gonna take a while to actually like run. I give it like a week or so. Same thing with the Motorola phones. You know, the Moto E series, it's a surprise. They work pretty damn good. As for OnePlus, if they could optimize the heck out of this so you don't have to rely on powerful processing power, this might be a great purchase. Focus, Samsung Galaxy S21. The focusing hasn't been all too impressive on the S21. They probably want you to upgrade to the S21 Ultra with the laser sensor. Let me just try to open up a YouTube and stuff and see how long it takes. I mean, the phone right now, it's fresh out the box. It looks gorgeous in my opinion. Just get a nice clear case and you should be fine. But the display, the colors, reminds me a lot of a Moto entry-level phone. So if you want long battery life, if you want, you know, just a nice phone with 5G, this could probably be it. Oxygen OS running. So I mean, it might take me like a good, you know, few weeks to actually just get a good feel for this phone, but overall for the price, can't be beat. I traded in a phone that was pretty bad, horrible when it came to performance, the Nokia 3.1 Plus, and this is definitely an upgrade so far. I mean, with that phone, it would lag just by opening the app drawer. So good stuff by OnePlus, looking good so far. If you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. Take care, peace.